going on YouTube? It's race day here at Bandimere with the CDCC crew and a bunch of other people. Burnsies RT, thank you for looking everything up. Looks like we're gonna have low humidity, high pressure system coming in, and I think temperatures are probably gonna be 50, maybe 60 degrees. It's gonna be a great day today. Stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, so past tech inspection, got the coat. We're just getting ready to stage up here. So we'll get the first run in, see what happens.
This is definitely weird driving with a motorcycle helmet on. Alrighty, a little rusty here. Wasn't holding the brake hard enough. Man, spinning in all-wheel drive, fucking crazy. I friggin' spun in all-wheel drive. God damn! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, 13.3 on a bunch of tire spin here. Definitely gonna have to learn how to launch the car now. Damn! There we go. We hooked up that time. Come on, go, 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 go! Come on, car! Come on, car! Yeah, we hooked up that time. All right. That one felt like a 12. Thank you.
You're welcome.
12.7. 12.7. 12.7 at 109.59 miles per hour. Not freaking bad for a street tune. Not freaking bad at all.
Diana.
Good morning, Dave.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Yeah, not quite.
I think she's right.
I'm gonna say it's gonna go down, and Dave's gonna be the one behind me.
Yeah, you know, I've been running my mouth a lot, and after my first 2 runs today, I might eat my words. But keep in mind, I am on my street tune today.
Yes, so am I. I'm on my street tune.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
this is my mini me. This is Corey.
Hi, Corey.
Corey is my pit crew. She changed my wheels this morning for me.
Oh,
She's
yeah?
awesome.
You practice on
Go,
Shane's
Corey.
car?
I did.
Yeah, so.
Did you leave one off? Leave one off a lug nut?
Yeah, leave a lug nut off.
Nice. It did.
But tons of car club members here. There's Raven. So, not bad. Whatever. We're gonna have some fun, right? Maybe we'll run today.
Feel the need for speed.
All right. But yeah, first run, spun all fours. Second run, I didn't launch as high on the RPMs, got a 12.7. But we'll hope for a little bit more here. See if I can get down to a 12.5. That's kind of where I was hoping I'd be. But 12.7 is not far off the mark of where the realistic expectations for the car were. But we'll let the car cool for a little bit, and then we'll give her another run. You guys probably remember the custom built Ram RT 2017 with Aaron. Just for giggles, we're gonna run a quarter mile together.
That's fun.
So maybe I'll get smoked.
Doubt it. Unless you're sleeping. Did you get any sleep?
No, I was up all night last night. I was just too excited about being here today.
Then I got a chance.
Yeah. Oh, catch me sleeping at the tree, maybe. Alrighty. Busy day today at the track.
And we're gonna try it with sport mode this time, see if sport mode does anything. And I'm in the right lane again, which is been pretty slick today. This is the one I spun all four tires on the first launch. .20 to 60 that time. That's probably going to be another 12.7 right in that realm. See if I caught that 110. I was half miling off of 110 last time. Thank you. A little bit slower that time. That was a 12.8 at 108.87. Let's just get a weight on the car here real quick. As the car sits right now, 4,600 flat.
So anyways, guys, you guys know that I got a race against the Hellcat coming up here on April 28th. This is actually the Hellcat I'm going to be racing. It is a stock Charger Hellcat 2018. It's got like 2,000 miles on it. You got to say, I love these new 2018 wheels. Well, got the 100-mile-an-hour club. Missed the 110 club by 0.4 of a mile per hour. I ran 109.59. So we'll set it up and do one more run here and see if I can get the 110 club.
Okay, fourth run. Let's see if I can catch that 110. Temperature is about 41 degrees, but the air DA has actually gone down the pooper. I think we're probably up around 7,000 or so right now for the DA. Caught me sleeping at the tree. Thank you.
You're welcome.
$109.37. Are you kidding me? Ah! 12.8.